Hi friend, Marian here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. So yesterday, nanggaling tayo sa Bacolod. So, we have a haul from SM Bacolod, book sale SM Bacolod. Share it with you. Mainit pa. Kasi yesterday lang. We need the receipt for this. Ito ang ating haul from book sale in SM Bacolod. It's the Dream Journal. Ayan, maganda siya. What does your dream mean? Why are they so hard to remember? So this writing journal is a perfect place to record and decode your dreams. You learn how to recall more of your nightmares, adventures, how to conquer your nightmares, and how to catch some quality Z's. Along the way, you'll explore the history of dreams around the world, learn what your amazing imagination brain does each night when you close your eyes, and so much more. Ayan po. Ayan. It's, the opening is a tiger. Ayan, Dream Journal. Uncover the power of your dreams and the science of sleep. The author is Dr. Alan Peter Keen. Ayan. So, may introduction siya. How to use your dream journal. So, yan, getting started in your dreams. So, generally daw, we have 3 types of dreams. Dream-based, on real life, fantastic dreams, and nightmares. We don't want nightmares. Depositing dreams in your memory bank. So, we have to write yung mga may prompt siya. For example, think about last night's dream. What did you like about it, if anything? If you could dream about anything, what would it be? So, yung mga wishes, diba? Yan. So, we studied dream interpretation before when I was still a student in psychology so many years ago. A setting is where something takes place. What was the setting in your most recent dream? If it was to some place familiar, what are your association with or memories of this place? Ayan po. Marami naman tayong writing prompts. Ayan, meron pa parang anong tawag dyan? Mind maps. Yan. Enjoy, Mamsi. Ayan, no? For only 120 pesos in SM Bacolod. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.